लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે પ્રોબેબિલિટી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન 1 એની થિયરી લર્ન કરેલી હતી. નાઉ પ્રેક્ટિકલ પાર્ટ. ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટ મેથેમેટિકલ એક્સપેક્ટેશન, એનો ટાઈપ 1, find expected value that is E of x and variance that is V of x. First of all આપણે ઇક્વેશન જોશું. મેથેમેટિકલ એક્સપેક્ટેશન that is expected value that is or mathematical expectation is equal to mean is equal to E of x, and E of x is equal to sigma x into P of x. X into P of x करशु एज ए કોલમનો મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન આવશે, એનો સમ કરશું એટલે આપણે મળશે સિગ્મા એક્સ ઇન્ટુ પી ઓફ એક્સ. સમની અંદર આપણે એક્સ અને પી ઓફ એક્સ આપેલા હશે, એના ઉપરથી આપણે એક્સ મલ્ટીપ્લાઈડ બાય પી ઓફ એક્સ ફાઇન્ડ કરશું અને એ કોલમનો ટોટલ કરશું એટલે સિગ્મા એક્સ ઇન્ટુ પી ઓફ એક્સ આપણે મળશે. સેકન્ડ, વેરિયન્સ that is V of x is equal to ex square minus ex whole square, where ex square is equal to sigma x square into p of x. So આપણે next column બનાવવી પડશે x square into p of x. એનો ટોટલ કરશું એટલે આપણે મળશે સિગ્મા એક્સ સ્ક્વેર ઇન્ટુ પી ઓફ એક્સ. ઓકે, ખાસ પ્રોબેબિલિટી વાળી કોલમનો ટોટલ હંમેશા 1 થાય. સિગ્મા પી ઓફ એક્સ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ ઓલવેઝ 1. ટોટલ ઓફ પ્રોબેબિલિટી ઇઝ ઓલવેઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 1. Now first example, find the probability distribution for random variable x is as follow. Find mean and variance of it. X and p of x is given. On the basis of it we have to find out x into p of x, x square into p of x. Now x 0 1 2 3 4, probability 0.4, 0.05, 0.25, 0.12, 0.18, total 0.4 plus 0.05 plus 0.25, 0.12 plus 0.18, that is 1. So total of probability is always equal to 1. X into p of x, 0 multiplied by 0.4, that is 0. 1 multiplied by 0.05, that is 0.05. 2 multiplied by 0.25, that is 0.5. 3 multiplied by 0.12, that is 0.36. 4 multiplied by 0.18, that is 0.72. Total of it, that is 1.63, is sigma x into p of x. x square into p of x એટલે કે ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ અને થર્ડ કોલમનું પાછું મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન x મલ્ટીપ્લાઈડ બાય x ઇન્ટુ p of x. x મલ્ટીપ્લાઈડ બાય x that is x square. એટલે હંમેશા ફર્સ્ટ અને થર્ડ કોલમનું મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન. This is third. So x square into p of x, 0 multiplied by 0, that is 0. 1 multiplied by 0.05, 0.05, 0.5 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 0.05, 0.5 multiplied by 2, 1, 0.36 multiplied by 3, 1.08, 0.72 multiplied by 4, 2.88, total of it 5.01, that is sigma x square into p of x. Mean E of x, sigma x into p of x, 1.63. This is your first answer. Second, variance that is v of x is equal to ex square minus ex whole square, where ex square is equal to sigma x square into p of x. Sigma x square into p of x 5.01. So 5.01 minus ex, that is 1.63 no square. So 5.01, 1.63 no square, 2.66. 5.01 minus 2.66, that is 2.35. This is your second answer, 2.35 variance. Next, example number 2. Find mean and variance of following probability distribution: x, p of x, x into p of x, x square into p of x. x ની અંદર 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Probability 0.2, 0.3, 0.25, 0.13, 0.12. 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 0.25, 0.13 plus 0.12, that is 1. Total of probability is always equal to 1. Sigma x into p of x, 0 multiplied by 0.2, that is 0, 1 multiplied by 0.3, that is 0.3, 2 multiplied by 0.25, that is 0.5, 3 multiplied by 0.13, that is 0.39, 4 multiplied by 0.12, that is 0.48. Total of this is sigma x into p of x, that is 1.67. x square into p of x, 0 multiplied by 0, 0, 1 multiplied by 0.3, that is 0.3, 2 multiplied by 0.5, 2 multiplied by 0.5, that is 1, 0.39 multiplied by 3, that is 1.17, 4 multiplied by 0.48, that is 1.92. Sigma x square into p of x, MRC, 4.39. 4.39. Okay, now mean, that is ex, sigma x into px, 1.67. Variance, that is vx, ex square minus ex whole square, where ex square is equal to sigma x square into p of x, that is 4.39. So ex square 4.39 minus ex 1.67 no square. 4.39 minus 1.67 multiplied by 1.67, 2.79 minus 4.39, that is 1.60. This is your second answer. This is your first answer. 1.60 is variance. Next, example number 3. The probability distribution for variable is as follow. Find mean, variance and standard deviation. X, P of x, x into P of x, x square into P of x. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0.05, 0.10, 0.30, 0.20, 0.05, 0.10, 0.05, 0.10, 0.05. 2 multiplied by 0.05, 0.1. 3 multiplied by 0.1, 0.3. 4 multiplied by 0.3, 1.2. 5 multiplied by 0.2, 1. 6 multiplied by 0.05, 0.3. 7 multiplied by 0.1, 0.7. 8 multiplied by 0.05, 0.4. 9 multiplied by 0.1, 0.9. 10 multiplied by 0.05, 0.5. Total 5.4. That is sigma x into P of x. X square into P of x, 2 multiplied by 0.1, 0.2. 3 multiplied by 0.3, 0.9. 4 multiplied by 1.2, 4.8. 5 multiplied by 1, 5. 6 multiplied by 0.3, 1.8. 7 multiplied by 0.7, 4.9 sorry. 8 multiplied by 0.4, 3.2. 9 multiplied by 0.9, 8.1. 10 multiplied by 0.5, 5. Total 339. Sigma x square into P of x. 33.9. Mean Ex, sigma x into Px, 33.9. Sorry, 5.4. This is your first answer. Variance, સૌથી પહેલા ex square sigma x square into P of x, that is 33.9. Variance V of x is equal to ex minus ex square. Ex square minus ex whole square. 33.9 minus 5.4 no square. 33.9 minus 5.4 no square. That is 29.16. Minus 33.9. That is 4.74. This is your second answer. Third, standard deviation. Under root of variance, under root 4.74, 2.18. This is your third answer. Next, example number 4. Discrete random variable x, p of x are given. Find following value. This is very important for us. X, p of x, x into p of x, x square into p of x. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. 0.15, 0.30, 0.30, 0.15, 0.10. -2 multiplied by 0.15, minus 0.3. -1 multiplied by 0.3, minus 0.3. 0 multiplied by 0, 0.3, that is 0. 1 multiplied by 0.5, that is 0.15. 2 multiplied by 0.10, that is 0.2. Total minus 0.25. X square into p of x, that is -2 multiplied by -0.3, minus plus 0.6. -1 multiplied by -0.3, minus plus 0.3. 0 multiplied by 0, 0. 0.15 multiplied by 1, that is 0.15. 2 multiplied by 0.10, that is 0.2. Total 1.25. Sigma x into p of x, sigma x square into p of x. First question, E of x, that is sigma x into p of x, that is minus 0.25. This is your first answer. Second, E x square, that is sigma x square into p of x, that is 1.25. This is your second answer. Third, v of x, that is ex square minus ex whole square. Ex square 1.25 minus 0.25 no square. 1.25 minus 0.25 no square, 0.0625 minus 1.25, that is 1.1875. Fourth, v of 3x plus 1. વેરિયન્સ છે, અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે, 3 નો સ્ક્વેર થઈ જશે. વેરિયન્સ ઓફ x, વેરિયન્સ 1 સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે, 0. 9 વેરિયન્સ ઓફ x, 9 વેરિયન્સ ઓફ x, 9 વેરિયન્સ ઓફ x 1.1875 multiplied by 9, that is 10.6875. 10.6875. 9 multiplied by 1.1875, that is 10.6875. This is your fourth answer. Fifth, ex plus 1 whole square. ex plus 1 whole square. સૌથી પહેલા આપણે અવયવ પડશું. ફેક્ટર્સ x સ્ક્વેર 2x plus 1. એ અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે, ex square 2e of x plus 1. ex square 1.25 plus 2 multiplied by e of x minus 0.25 plus 1. 1.25 minus 0.5 plus 1. 2.25 minus 0.5, that is 1.75. Fifth. Sixth, ex square plus 2, that is ex square plus 2, ex square 1.25 plus 2, 3.25. This is your sixth answer. Seventh, Ex minus 2 whole square, that is Ex square minus 4x plus 4, Ex square minus 4E of x plus 4, Ex square 1.25, 4 minus 0.25 plus 4, 1.25 minus minus plus 1 plus 4, 1.25 plus 1 plus 4, that is 6.25. This is your 7th answer. Last 8, variance of 3x plus 4. Variance of 3x plus 4. So variance अंदर मल्टीप्लाय થશે, 3 નો સ્ક્વેર થશે, વેરિયન્સ લાગુ પડશે x ને, 4 નું વેરિયન્સ થશે 0. 9 variance of x, that is 1.1875. 9 multiplied by 1.1875, that is 10.6875. So here our example is completed. In next session we will start our next type 2. Thank you.